Hey, what's up guys? Today I'd like to show you this really cool G10s air mouse which I have bought on Aliexpress, and it finally arrived to my home. Basically, I decided to buy new air mouse because my dog, as you can see, was playing with my air mouse, and as you can see, it have done some damage. Also, the backside cover is not standing anymore, it is falling out, so decided to buy new air mouse. But to be honest, with this air mouse which I have bought, I don't know, 1 or 2 years before, I was perfectly satisfied with every function, and I was looking for the same air mouse, but for some reason this kind of module is not available anymore, and I was looking for replacement, and I found this air mouse G10s, which is more or less very similar to the older module, and from other experiences from other users, they are mostly satisfied with this air mouse. So basically, when it has arrived, you are going to receive this small USB receiver, but still, if your, for example, Android box has Bluetooth, you can connect your air mouse without USB receiver. But if you don't have, you must use this USB receiver to pair air mouse with device. Also, this air mouse has Google Voice Search and Google Voice Assistant support. So basically, for example, you can say, for example, you can ask for best action movies, or you can ask for today's weather and similar stuff, and for you that will automatically be searched on internet for these searches. So basically, it's really cool to have possibility of Google Assistant. Besides that, it is not too big or too small, it is perfect size for the hand. All buttons are okay. According to the company, it can work up to 10 meters, and for now I'm using it, for example, I don't know, 5 or 6 meters, and on that distance it works normal. But one thing I don't like about this air mouse comparing with old one, the old one had better buttons. As you can see, just a light touch and the button works really nice, even better, because it is much easier to use on an Android box or similar device. Even when you are press your OK button and sliding. With this, it is much better on older model. While on the G10s, for some reason, you need to press so hard OK button to get working. If you press just light and work, it will for some reason not detect OK function. So basically, to use this, at least in my experience, to use this air mouse, you need to press harder any button to get working, especially OK button. You need to press stronger and then it will work. If you press light, as you can see, it is not lighting up, just hear the pressing. It is not detecting nothing, so you need to press harder to get working. It's really stupid. Even I have pressed, not working. It's really dumb, and I don't like this. Even on other air mouse, I have another air mouse, you don't need to press so hard buttons to get working. I don't know is this just in my case, but I'd like to hear from you if you have this G10s air mouse. Do you need to press so hard buttons to get working, or maybe my air mouse is faulty? But overall, if it's the case that you need to press so hard buttons, then overall I would give 4 of 5 the score because of that. But besides that, the price is okay. It costs I think it is around $5 including shipping on Aliexpress. I'm going to give you the link in video description, and overall it will be useful for my use, but it will be good that you don't need to press so hard the buttons. So that's it. I hope this was useful to you before you maybe buy this air mouse, or you can maybe think for another one. Just I'd like to help you about that. So that's it. Thank you. Bye.
I'm not your first, I know, nor the last. Hey, if only I knew when love disappears how to make it come back. This night wouldn't hurt so much if I hadn't loved you madly. This night wouldn't hurt so much. I would love you. My love. My love. Now even one harsh word hurts so much. Let tears be the medicine to forget what we were is not my destiny. I'm easily deceived by a lie from my lips. Hey, if you only knew when love disappears how